Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to define a function in MATLAB. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, functions make it a lot easier to execute certain functions without having to keep running that function and being able to just change the input parameters as you please. And it's quite important to know how to define a function. So for a new or a beginner in MATLAB, this is it's obviously slightly different syntax to Python, for example. So I'll be showing you how to define a function in MATLAB today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm going to first type in my input. So let's have x be an input variable that I'm going to be using. And yeah, now what we're going to do is you're going to type function, which now defines or creates the function. And then the first thing you're going to type after that is going to be whatever it is inside your function, or whatever it is that you define inside your function that you would like to return. So you'd like to essentially get that back. So let's just let that be a. And now we're going to have to write the function name. Now in MATLAB, your function name has to be the name of your file. So in this case, it's UGH. So I'm going to say UGH and then type brackets. And then in the brackets, it's going to be your input parameters. For me, it's X. Great. So now let's type in the actual thing that we want our function to do. So we're going to return A. So I'm typing A equals 2. And then let's say we want x divided by 6. That's what we want our function to do. Great. So then we'll just say end, which ends the function. And there you have it. If you wanted to know how to define a function in MATLAB, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.